Hey friends, this is Shelly and Yami, and we're over here in Gleneagles today, featuring a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story. Let me turn the camera. It is located on a cul-de-sac. It has the white painted brick. I love that. It's like a deep olive. Is all of the trim color. And it has the wood planks. When you first come in to the right, you're going to have a closet right here. And then the stairs where all of the 3 bedrooms and 2 of the baths are. But let's go ahead and enjoy this tour of right here. Beautifully, this is an occupied home. This is not a staged home. Isn't it gorgeous? So you've got a nice large den for entertaining. It's nice and bright with all the windows. You have a half bath. These beautiful counters and breakfast space. And with the tile backsplash. Again, lots of storage, lots of prep space. Love it. Here is one of the little treasures that I absolutely enjoy. Isn't this beautiful? Love the covered patio. Nice oversized backyard. Back there you've got your she shed. With the location on this cul-de-sac, just is outstanding, the yard space. So it's one of the larger lots. The home is 1,430 square feet per the appraisal district. And it's sitting on a lot that's almost a little shy of 9,000 square feet. Let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. First, you have the carpeted stairs. And we'll go first here on the right-hand side is the secondary bedroom. You've got nice ceiling fans and light kits. Here's the second of the secondary bedrooms. Because the home is occupied, I don't want to open up any of the closet doors. Here is the full bath. It's that tile all the way up to the ceiling. It's a tub shower combo. You've got this nice flex space right here, which should be great as a little reading nook. And then we have our master suite. There's the closet with the nice vaulted ceilings. And then here we are in the half bath. Again, it is an occupied home, so I don't want to be too intrusive. There's the shower. Love how beautifully they've decorated it. You with this home or any other homes in the area, please don't hesitate to give me a call. 713-962-6563. Thanks.